In this video today, we're going to do the box challenge. This is a video we've had before. I'm going to be shooting a Smith & Wesson Shield Plus. I want to give you the details, what you have to do. You have to put this target out at 3 yards, 5 yards, and 7 yards. Then we're working on our defensive accuracy. We're working on putting the shots in the box if we can, or close to the box. We want to make sure that we're working on a good fundamentals, good grip, good stance, good trigger control, good sight picture, good sight alignment. Slowly press the trigger, get it back, and keep the weapon level. Don't overlook. Look over the gun and see if you're hitting your targets. You know what you're doing with this thing. You want to be accurate. By the way, guys, you want one of these targets, just comment below target, and I'll send you one for free. Let's go ahead and set this up at 3 yards, and we'll discuss it as we go. I got you over my shoulder already, so let's do this. All right. Idea of this is nice, continuous, slow trigger engagement. Will help you cut the shot a lot nicer. You know, we just finished up the beta group. And a lot of the people in the beta group, the Master Your class in 4 weeks, we just had a webinar finish over the week, and those guys all improved so much, and majority of them said the exact same thing. I'm going to put a little review of one of the guys down here.
What's up, guys? My name is David Navarro. I am one of the beta testers from the state of Washington. I believe I'm the furthest student from John. And let me just say, I was super hesitant when I first took the class, or before actually entering into it. I didn't know if this was a scam or not, but let me best believe this is not a scam, man. This is actually something legit. I had a lot of fun in this class. I had some prior firearm training, but John really polished me up. He made my accuracy, my precision so much better. His teachings really did take my skills to the next level, and I'm sure he will show you some of my targets. This actually is very important class, and that I would recommend to anybody, despite distance. Many of us that are on the internet every single day, we're already getting training from different YouTubers and different forums out there, whether it be from Reddit or whatever, right? Asking for different drills and what's the perfect hand grip and everything else like that. The difference between that and this class is that this class, yes, it might be them online or whatever, but you are going to get it personalized to your targets. When you go to the range and you show John your target, he's going to tell you exactly what you did wrong and how. Believe me, it sounds almost like mystic. It almost is, really, but it really is something that has been incredibly helpful to my shooting life. I have a wife, I have a family, I need to protect them. I need to make sure that when I shoot from my finger, right, I shoot that trigger, that it is spot on and that I'm not going to hit anybody else. It is important to me, my safety, my defense, and this is what John is all about. John is to help you defend others, and this is why I recommend his class 100%. He is extremely friendly. He will work on your time, especially me as I was coaching. He helped me. I highly recommend. I hope you take his class.
But ideally, the trigger is the key to becoming more accurate with a pistol. Understanding what you're doing wrong and identifying it will help you tremendously become a better shooter. Let's get this going. Up top 3. I'm going to push it out to 5. You know, we did that beta group to get that course all built. In that course itself was students from coast to coast. Washington State, all the way to Boston, Massachusetts, and states in between. And this is one of the drills we let them use to get them to understand what they're doing wrong with the trigger. You get a good grip, good control, turn the weapon, get your eye and dominant eye together, cut the shot. 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 All right, let's get pull one of those. Good. We had 15 students do that beta class, and the unique thing about that, they were all different speeds, shapes, sizes, ages. My guy out of Washington, he was actually 27 years old, married school teacher, and he's going to be the one I'm going to share the review on. And then we had people in Boston. We had a 77-year-old guy in Ohio. I mean, they were all over the place. We had some local guys that came here. Beta group, what do you think?
I think it's an awesome experience. Had I not taken this class, I'd be going to the range and just making bad habits worse.
Would you recommend it?
Oh, 100% to anybody that's looking to get better and more accurate on using their firearm.
How do you think you did from week 1 to week 4?
Oh, I've been 300 times better than I was before.
Well, thank you, buddy. I appreciate you being here.
No, thank you, and thank you for all your help.
All right, bye-bye. Stuff. And we had guys that were from all over. You know, guys, if you're looking to improve your accuracy and shoot better and understand what you're doing wrong with a weapon, become more accurate, I probably could help you. This box drill is a good drill to help you become more accurate. Guys, if you want to join me on March 31st for the next round of the Master Your Handgun in 4 weeks or less, we'd love to have you. In the descriptions down below, there is a link. Now, in the next couple days, we've got this going on, this pre-sale of it, because the 31st is when it happens. If you make a decision to purchase the program, we're going to give it to you for not for the $149. We're going to give it to you for a pre-buy special of $99.99. So if you'd like to join us, we would love to have you. What do you need for the masterclass? You need a firearm. You need to be available on a Monday night at 7 p.m. And you need to be a willingness to learn. You need to be able to get to the range at least once a week. Have a cell phone to be able to take some pictures of your videos or pictures of your targets. So what I'm going to tell you guys, if you want to be part of the masterclass, which I know you guys all mentioned you want to be, we've got a good deal on it right now for next until Sunday. It's only $99.99. What do you get with that $99.99? You get the class. You get the ebook. You get one conference call a week with me. You get targets, feedback from me. It's all for $99. And by the end of those 4 weeks, you're going to understand what's causing your accuracy problems at the range, and you'll be able to solve it. Every student I had in the master group, which was 15 students, one dropped out, so we had 14, and out of those 14 students, one was a woman, and they all shot better than they ever have. And they're continuously shooting better than they ever have. Let me support you. Let me help you. It is a passion of mine to get people to shoot better. Give this box drill a try. Comment below if you want one of these targets. Comment below if you want to sign up for the Master Your Handgun in 4 weeks. There's limited space on this, guys. I only have spots for 15 for each class. So I want to because I want to give you my passion. I want to give you my advice, and I want to help you tremendously. So go ahead, comment below, I'm in, and we'll get you that information as well. Once those 15 spots are filled, we go another month before we get into it again. And that'd be another full 4 weeks of you missing your targets when you could solve your target accuracy in the first week. And that's what most people did. The first week they solved their problems. So check out the reviews they've got in this video.
Hi, how's it going? My name is Steffens. I actually just wanted to take a few seconds to speak about my firearms training with John G. Johnson. I have been in a 4-week master class with him to better help my accuracy, proficiency with a handgun. Best class I've ever taken. Most knowledge, simple, straight to the point. If you take the time and work out and put in the knowledge that he's giving you, get to the range and practice, I promise you'll be a better shooter. I'm living proof of that. As I'm in Boston, Massachusetts, and John is in Florida, physically I haven't had a chance to get down there and train with him. But the classes that we've been doing, the training with everyone else, and the beta group that he's provided right now, top tier stuff. If you are interested in a solid way to raise your proficiency in shooting, I highly recommend this. Thanks again, John. Looking forward to working with you.
And check out this target. Until next time, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line of defense.